Today we will be making French peach cake. The ingredients you need are vegetable oil, milk, sliced peaches, butter, eggs, baking powder, and all-purpose flour, sugar, and you need some peels like lemon peels, orange peels. In this case, we are using clementine peels. Next, you need to butter the baking pan. Next step is to put the peaches on. While the cake is cooking, we're going to make the frosting. First, you have to add 1 egg. Now you scrape off some of the clementine peel. After 30 minutes of your cake baking, you need to add your icing on and then bake it for another 12 minutes. Make sure you cover your whole cake with the icing. So this is our French peach cake, and it looks so delicious, and I can't wait to try it. It's really good. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.